Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this digital alarm clock with QI charging station. Modern alarm clock with a decorative wooden case. Conveniently charge your smartphone by induction, wireless charging, batteries included, with a 3 years warranty and temperature monitor. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. And the manual, if you want to read, is your choice. Stay with me, all about this product is on the way. Nice! I like the wooden look. Beautiful. Wireless charging. Included we have the adapter, power adapter, with a cable length 1.5 meters, the batteries, 3 AA batteries, at the back here we have the battery compartment. You can install the batteries, the temperature sensor, plug in the adapter, 9-volt DC, reset button here, the set button, up and down button, adjusting the time. Let's install in the batteries. So there it is. Okay, I like it. 21 degrees Celsius, 12 it is the hour. So the power adapter, you need to plug it in if you want to use the wireless charging, obviously, yep. Later I will do that. Now with the set button, press and hold. We have the year 2023 set. And here it is the month, November, set. 24, yep, correct. 24 hours or 12 hours, 24 hours. And adjusting the time, up and down, 12, set, it is the hour and the minutes, press and hold, it will go faster, set, on, it is the first alarm, so let's adjust it with the up and down button, 12, set, 54, set. The second alarm, on or off, on, press and hold, it will go faster, 12, set, 55, set. Another alarm, okay, on. 56, set, on. So let's wait until the alarm it will sound. But before that, we have another 2 minutes, if I remember correct. Let's plug it in. Nice. And wireless charge my smartphone. Wireless charging, okay, fast wireless charging. I like that. Thumbs up. There is then the alarm. Here is the 2 speakers. That is the only sound. With the set button snooze, we can see it's flashing, or with the up and down button, just turn off the alarm. And let's wait for the other alarm, 55. And we can see automatically it's changing to the year, day and month. I like that. There is the second alarm. And with the up and down button, I have turned off the alarm. Or just press the set button for snooze. Waiting and for the third alarm. I like it how it changes. It's so beautiful. I mean, you can see the display at the background. Only the numbers. I like it. And wireless charging at the night, how cool is that? It will wake you up at the morning and simultaneously is wireless charging. And there it is. And the third alarm. With the set button, snooze the alarm, is flashing, press again the up and down button, turn off the alarm. And with the up button, press once, it goes to Fahrenheit and Celsius again. The snooze time it is after 5 minutes, it will sound again the alarm. Press and hold the up button for 3 seconds. You can adjust the brightness. L3 it is the lowest, L2 and L1 it is the highest. 3 adjustments for the brightness. With the set button you can change the display. First display will display the time and temperature in 10 seconds and change to displays the year, day and month in 5 seconds. There it is. Or go to the display 2, will display for 3 seconds, will display the time and temperature for a longer time. Pressing the down button you can turn on the sound. The display will turn off automatically after 15 seconds. And when sound will detect it, it will turn on. I like it. How cool is that? Or you can switch it off with the down button. On again. Display 1, off. Set the alarm, take a nap, charge wireless your smartphone. Alarm will wake you up in the morning with fully charged smartphone and start your day on a great design, woody style that will match at any place at your home with a cost only 20 euros. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed my video. If you don't want to miss any of my videos, smash the notification bell, share this video and subscribe. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.